What are the best 5 tips when selling your home? Hi, I'm Frank Polsinello with the Polsinello Team at RE/MAX, and here are the top 5 things you need to do to get your home ready for sale. Number 1, first impressions are everything. Go ahead and clean up the yard, mow the lawn, trim the hedges, and get that oil spot cleaned up in the driveway. Number 2, it's time for repairs. On the inside, by fixing up any holes or nail pops in the walls, put a fresh coat of paint on them and clean it up. Touch up the baseboards, the doors, the casings, make them look clean and fresh with a coat of paint. Number 3, find yourself a listing agent with an actual marketing plan that's going to get your home the most exposure in the least amount of time, especially in this dynamic market. That's probably the single most important thing you can do to get your home ready. Number 4, deep clean the home, which means giving the kitchen floors and all of the cabinetry a thorough cleaning. Next, do the bedrooms, the primary bedroom, the ensuite, especially should be spotless. If you need help with these things, we have our cleaners handy to do this for you. Number 5, if your budget permits, go ahead and start fixing up anything on the interior, whether it be new lighting, painting, the exterior, or getting new floors done. But before you do anything, make sure you give us a call or DM us, and we can give you some tips and tricks on what to do and what not to do to get the most amount of money for your home. Thanks for listening.